But I also want to highlight today, guys, you guys are going to see Avestor has not only made it easier for us as the capital raisers, but the interface on the back end with the actual LPs or the passive investors, just like the people who are probably listening to us today, like your user experience is that much better. But maybe let's go there for now, Sanjay.
Yeah, I think we took a very different approach on the user experience because today, like when you look at most of the investment management platforms, when you're doing traditional syndications, all you see on these platforms is very, very limited functionality. In that you kind of see, oh, I invested 25,000 on the deal. If the sponsor has some docs, they uploaded some documents, and that's pretty much it. There's really nothing else there. They may share a little bit about a few of the distributions. So what we tried to do was build a much more robust capability, even on the investor side, where we've created the ability that, if you're, first thing we've done is we've created this thing called a virtual cash balance account. So think about it like a brokerage experience. When you're in a brokerage experience, what do? First thing you do is you take your money and you send it from your bank to your brokerage. If you look there, you'll see, oh, okay, I've got a whole bunch of money sitting in my money market. Then you decide, where am I going to invest and what stocks am I going to buy? And you start buying those stocks. When you have dividends and earnings, they come back to your money market account. And you see all of the transactions. You see a full account statement. That brokerage experience is very, very deep, right, as an investor, and you see the diversification that you have. So what we've tried to do is replicate that with our own model, which is with a customizable fund that we have, we've got a cash balance account. So investors come in, they put it in, the money goes into their cash balance account. Then as they start investing it into various deals, they start seeing those deals. They can invest across the country. They'll see a map of the different locations that they've invested in. So it gives them the ability to diversify across a lot of different assets, different geographies and markets as well. And then we track every single transaction that happens. So similar to your brokerage experience, you're getting to see every single investment you make, every single withdrawal, every single distribution, earnings, everything. It's all tracked very deeply. And so it truly, our goal is to provide a much deeper experience for the investor for alternatives like real estate, where they can see the same level of depth as they may get from a brokerage experience.